Bro, how far? You say emergency, they happen.
This one already.
This one already.
Now.
So what happen now? What's gonna be the emergency now?
Oh boy, now the kind hunger where they hold me now. Now it be the emergency.
So what's happen? What's happen?
Na Gary main.
How much you owe?
I owe 450.
450.
How much you owe?
Me, I no hold anything, no. But give us the owe me change. You go let me go collect the change. If you collect the change now, please and buy the Gary.
Now me with the ball out now.
No, no. This side, where they go?
Where would they go now?
Bro, no worry. Now just see it now. Smart, I don't reach.
We don't they waka since. We don't they reach road now.
Bro, no worry now. If you go collect this change, don't be to collect and buy what you want buy.
We go see enter keke.
Bro, enter inside this keke. Just enter, make they go.
Man. Okay now, where they go now?
And wow. Bros, now how much will be this keke?
200 each.
So, shall you get to 200 each now?
I get 200 for her now.
You get to 200 each?
Yeah.
No wala. Just pay. You see, now that shop where that girl just they buy something finish now. Now that shop be that. Who they go?
We'll go there. I go stay outside. We go meet her.
Customer.
So how far now?
I'm fine. We thank God. So what do you people want to buy?
No, let me buy anything. No. I want to collect my change.
Your change. When was that?
I think 2 days ago now. Why buy bread now? Come buy Coke. Buy this thing.
Now I remember. You know, this is your clock that made me remember you now. You know your clock of the world, eh?
You be comedian, no?
Here you go, eh?
Thank you, Daddy. Go me dey go collect. Buy your say.
OnclePee.
Yeah?
OnclePee.
Jesus. What happen now?
We come up for house, right? We enter keke come here, abi?
Yes, now. The money. Yes, now 200 now.
Make how much?
Now 400 now. You know go speak to what's up now.
How much we can collect here?
Now 150 now.
You say?
I hope you enjoy that Romy video. Please subscribe. Thank you. We love you. Bye.